Good morning, students. So today I am going to start the rank of a matrix. Okay. So in the last classes we have solved the problems on finding the inverse of the matrices using elementary transformations. Now today we see what is a rank of a matrix and how to find the rank of a matrix by inspection method and also by using elementary row operations. Okay, so let us start. So a rank of matrix is defined as let A be any m cross n matrix, right? Then if A is any m cross n matrix, then we observe there are many square submatrices of different orders. Okay, suppose that if any matrix it has of order 5 cross 4, then we can see a square submatrices of 2 cross 2 and of 3 cross 3. Okay, so like that, if A be any m cross n matrix, then it has a square submatrices of different orders. Then the determinant of these square submatrices, okay, then the determinants of these square submatrices are called as minors of A. Okay, minors of A. Then if all minors of order r plus 1 are 0, okay, but there is at least one non-zero minor of order r, then r is called as the rank of A. R is called as the rank of A. That means suppose that if minus means what, it is the determinant of all the square submatrices, right? So first find the square submatrices of the given matrix, okay, then find the determinant of those square submatrices. Okay, so if suppose if the determinant of all square submatrices, say if you find square submatrices of 2 cross 2, so 2 cross 2 is the order. If you find the square submatrices of 2 cross 2, then if all minors of 2 cross 2 matrices, okay, are 0, but there exists at least one non-zero minor. Okay, if there exists only one non-zero minor, that is whose determinant is not equal to 0, one non-zero minor, then the R is called as the rank of the matrix A. We write this as rank of A is equal to R, or in other words we use the symbol rho, that is rho of A is equal to R. Now from this the rank of matrix is as follows. We define this as follows. If A is a null matrix, suppose if A contains a null matrix, that is a 0 matrix, then clearly the rank of that matrix is always 0. Okay, if A is a null matrix, then the rank of A is always 0. Similarly, if second one, if A is not a null matrix, okay, if A is not a null matrix means what, it contains at least one element. If A is not a null matrix, then the rank of that matrix is greater than or equal to 1, is greater than or equal to 1. Next, third one we have, if A is a non-zero singular n cross n matrix. If A is a non-zero singular n cross n matrix, then rank of A is equal to n. Then rank of A is equal to n. Okay, so that is that if suppose that if A is a, say that if A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2 and the determinant of that 2 cross 2 matrix is not equal to 0, then clearly the rank of A is 2. Okay, so then if In is the n cross n unit matrix, if In is the n cross n unit matrix, then the determinant of In is equal to 1 and it is not equal to 0. So which means rank of In is equal to n, right? Because the determinant of unit matrix is not equal to 0, you will get the value is 1. So therefore rank of that In is equal to n. That is, if suppose that if there exists a square matrix of order 4 cross 4, and that matrix is a unit matrix. If that is the unit matrix of order 4 cross 4, then it's clearly its determinant is not equal to 0 and it is equal to 1. So therefore the rank of that unit matrix is always equal to 4. Next, fourth one we have, if A is an m cross n matrix, if A is a m cross n matrix, then rank of A, if A is an m cross n matrix, then rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of m and n, minimum of m and n. Suppose that if the rank of the matrix, if A is a matrix of 3 cross 4, if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 4, then rank of A is always less than or equal to minimum of m and n. So here m is 3, n is 4, 3 cross 4. So the minimum among 3 and 4 is 3. So therefore the rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 3. Next, if all minors of order R are equal to 0, then rank of A is less than R. Okay, if you find submatrices, square submatrices, and if you find the determinant and you observe that all the determinant of all square submatrices is not equal to, is equal to 0, then the rank of A is less than or equal to R. Okay, so now to determine the rank of a matrix, what we do? To determine the rank of a matrix, we adopt one method. What we do is start with the highest order minor of A. Suppose if A is a matrix of order say 5 cross 6, 5 cross 6. Next, in that 5 cross 6 we can get a square submatrix of maximum order 5 cross 5, right? So write the first write the determinant of 5 cross 5 matrix. Find the determinant of 5 cross 5 matrix. Okay, and then check the value. Okay, if suppose that if any one of them is non-zero, okay, if any one of them is non-zero, then rank of A is equal to R. Okay, if suppose that if you find a square submatrix of 5 cross 5 which is the highest order, then if you get the determinant of that square matrix is equal to say 4, if you get the determinant of that square matrix is equal to 4, okay, then and if any one of them is non-zero, if suppose that if anyone you will get a non-zero square submatrix, then clearly a rank of A is equal to 4. Okay, if all of them are 0, then what will happen? If all of them are 0, suppose if you take a matrix, okay, of 5 cross 6, then we can find square submatrices of maximum order 5 cross 5, and then we see that one of them is non-zero, and we conclude that rank of A is R only. Suppose that if all of the square submatrices of 5 cross 5 is 0, okay, are 0, then what we do? How to find the rank of matrix? Then what we do? We go to the minors of next lower order. Means up to now we have found 5 cross 5 square submatrix, then we go to 4 cross 4 square submatrix, and then we find the determinant of all 4 cross 4 square submatrix, and we see if any one of the square submatrix is not equal to 0, is non-zero, then the rank of that matrix is again R minus 1. Okay, so like that we continue and we find the rank of the matrix. Okay, so if for example here I will give an example from this example. So here one example is given. Find the rank of the matrix. First one is 1 2 3 4, then minus 2 0 5 7. Okay, the first problem. Now here the matrix A is 1 2 3 4, minus 2 0 5 7. Okay, so here this is the problem. Okay, so here a is, this is the given problem, a is 1 2 3 4, then the second row is minus 2 0 5 7. Now it is of order 2 cross 4 matrix, right? It is of order 2 cross 4 matrix. Now here as per the method, first what we do here, what is the rank of a matrix? Now see here, it is of order 2 cross 4 matrix. So as we explained in the here in the above, so here the rank of matrix is always the minimum of m and less than or equal to minimum of m and n. So here m is 2 and n is 4, so minimum of this 2 and 4 is 2. So therefore rank of this matrix is always less than or equal to 2, is less than or equal to 2. Okay, so now to find the rank of the matrix, first what we do, we take the square submatrix matrices of highest order. Okay, now this is a 2 cross 4 matrix, right? Now here we get the highest order square submatrix is of order what? 2 cross 2 only. Okay, because it is a 2 cross 4 matrix, so we can get the highest square submatrix of order 2 cross 2 only. So now in this case, every 2 cross 2 submatrices here, it is equal to 4. So first we take one square submatrix of this 1 2, then minus 2 0, and we will get the determinant of this is equal to 4. Okay, and therefore, and it is not equal to 0. So the rank of A is equal to 2. The rank of A is equal to 2. Okay, the rank of A is equal to 2. Next, this is one example. Okay, next you take here A is equal to 1 2 3 1 4 2, then 2 6 5 is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Here what we do, we apply elementary row transformation. Here we apply elementary row transformation, and we bring the row the given matrix in the form of this row reduced echelon form. Okay, and we find the rank of the matrix. So that we will see in the next class. So just understand how to find the rank of a matrix. Okay, by inspection method, right? By finding the square submatrices of different orders, and by checking the determinant of those matrix. Okay, and we will see in the next class. Thank you.